What do we got? This is for Randy, right?
Randy, what we got for you here is the KM100. This is by Autel. It has the universal keys and it also has the lookalike keys. Probably the best game changer on the market over the last year, and it's a must-have. Because if you don't have the key for the client, this will make it for you.
Okay, so and it does. There's a nice deal on a kit. How many remotes come with it?
We can do a kit with that, with the Triton Ultimate. What I'm going to give you is a Triton Plus Ultimate. She has everything, both residential, commercial, and automotive, engraving, you name it, cuts even dimpled. And then we're going to give you the KM100 with it too at a special price. We'll do a bundle together. We'll call it the Mr. Locksmith Deal.
Okay, good stuff. So maybe the code will be Mr. Locksmith?
Yep.
Okay, thanks a lot, Mike. Have a good day.
Thanks a lot.
Mike is a great guy, and he supports what he sells. He's not going to sell you garbage. So he always supports. He's a great guy to deal with. So give Mike a call at American Key Supply. Give him the code Mr. Locksmith, and let's see what he can do for you. Have a good day.